click on it to enjoy. We're doing division word problem.
Imagine Miss Dottie puts 24 shrimp in 4 bowls instead of 3 bowls. She puts the same number of shrimp in each bowl. How many shrimp will be in each bowl?
Volume 100 like we always do. And yeah, brightness bright. No, I'm just joking. Let's make it on 1. And yeah. Make the sound. Don't forget like and subscribe to see more videos. As I say. More than 8 or fewer than 8? I bet it's fewer than 8.
Way to go!
Way to
There
go!
will be fewer than 8 shrimp in each bowl. Now solve the problem. How many shrimp will be in each bowl?
Oh, I didn't mean that. God, whatever that was. How much is there? 6? Is there 6 or am I wrong? And
Nice work!
Correct.
What's next? Rob volunteers at a local food pantry. He has 15 cans and 3 boxes. Rob puts the same number of cans into each box. How many cans are in each box?
I am now 8. I made this YouTube channel like when I was starting, I think 18. Get out! I'm not actually 18 or 17 or 16 or 15. I'm not 14. I'm not 13. I'm not 12. I'm not 11. I'm not 10. I'm not 9, but I'm 8. I'm not 7. I'm not 6. I'm not 5. I'm not 4. I'm not 3. I'm not 2. I'm not 1. I'm not 0. Of course I'm not 1, 2, 3, or 4, or 5. Whoa. A fly just busted to in my face.
Complete the sentence.
Are they saying 15 minus 3, 15 times 3, or 15 divided by 3? They're saying 15 divided by 3. Guys, I'm pretty much smart. It might be 5. Look how intelligent I am, huh?
Complete the equation to represent the problem.
I just try to be famous, guys. As famous as you. If you're famous at your YouTube channel, yeah, I'm trying to be as famous as you. If you're not,
Piper uses 16 building blocks to build 4 towers. Each tower has the same number of blocks. How many blocks are in each tower?
I'm gonna think you're famous if you're a subscriber. If you have 20 subscribers or more. So don't forget to subscribe. Ow, ow, ow. Like and sub. Well, what's the problem about that? Because if you're liking someone, make more iReady videos, don't you want to? Subscribe if you like iReady videos. Like if you also like iReady videos. I mean, that's just crazy. Subscribe if you like iReady videos. Like if you like iReady videos. And tell me in the comments if you like iReady videos or if you don't like iReady. If you don't like iReady, then I won't let you from commenting on my channel. Because I already blocked one person from doing that, and guess what? I can block you. Okay, so let's click go.
Complete the sentence.
So, what's 16 divided by 4. If I did not know that, I would use the counters. How about we use the counters? So we'll just get 16. 1, 2. You know what? I do not like doing all that. So
Do you want to?
But then if I do 10, if I get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that's way much faster. I think I should flip these over. Because you can do this. I'm doing this. I'm not going to play with it. So 6. Then 4. Should I get orange? 1, 2, 3, 4. Even though I'm not that good, I'm going to do like this. Yeah, like that. But not really. So I'm going to put it a little lower than that. Oh. And then once I've got that, I will... Which one should I do? So, if I'm... Ouch! Okay. And if I divide those, it's going... So let me divide it. Doing division math. Doing math. Just doing the math. 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 I was doing the math, and the answer is 4. Then I'm all done.
Complete the equation to represent the problem.
Doing division, I think.
4 towers times 4 blocks in each tower equals a total of 16 blocks.
I knew. Well, I didn't know. I mean, I didn't know, but. I learned 4 times 4 at school.
Noah finds 14 caterpillars and puts them in 2 cages.
Word problem.
There are the same number of caterpillars in each cage.
Same number?
How many caterpillars are in each cage?
Caterpillars. Calculator could lie or calculator could not know the answer sometimes. So, never, ever cheat. Sometimes you can if you want. But my name is Christus. My name's actually Krister, and yeah. Krister's channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Boom. Cut. You might not subscribe. And then... Why don't you join me anyway? Well, my name is Krista's channel. Okay. 14 divided by 2. Guys, I think it's 7.
Complete the division equation to represent the problem.
lately, I think it's 2 divided by 14. 14 divided by 2. What if it was 2 divided by 14? Next time,
Complete the multiplication equation to represent the problem.
Whoa. 2 times 7 equals 14. Yes.
Nice job. You received 20 coins.
Let's see our progress, guys. Not bad. Because, guys, whoa, I go to school and I will need 50 minutes at math today. Because I already got 15 minutes on reading. Yeah. And at math tomorrow, I'll need 52. No, not 52. I just need 50, or I can get more than that if I want to. And then I'll be like, yeah. But I don't want to do this today. I found something greater than this. Do not forget to subscribe. My community, and then I have 3 created playlists. Then don't forget to like and subscribe. Yeah, like and subscribe to see more videos. Yeah, no. Okay, guys, if you actually saw that, this is me. Oh my God. The only thing you have to search is Chris's channel instead of other channels, huh? Now we're gonna do a countdown. Let's see if I'll earn a sub. Cause look, this says updating live. Wait, I don't think I'm live on YouTube right now. I'm not even live. This video's just, yeah. This video's posted already, so yeah. Oh, a fly is buzzing around me. Look how much subs I have in just a Chris's channel. Cause we have to leave it like it. Wake me up when a subscriber goes up. Did somebody wake up too early? Because I was literally in the middle of my bed. Hop back to the bed. Boing! Bill here, what's up? Do not go up. You woke me up too early. Guys, this is a new version. I have one new one. This is me as a teacher. This is me as a student. This is me as a principal. This is me as a recess teacher. This is me as a lunch man. Meow, meow. This is me as a police. Wink, wink. This is me as an ambulance. Now I am just about to say one thing, and it's And that's it for today. Now, bye everyone. See you in the next video.